How to disable your joins in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can disable your joins in Roblox. So in order to disable your joins, the first thing that you will need to do is tap onto the Roblox icon and launch your Roblox application. And once you will do this, you will see an interface like this. Now from here, simply choose more option at the bottom right and scroll down to find the settings option. Click onto settings, and under settings click on privacy and content restrictions. Now under privacy and content restrictions, you will see this option that says visibility and private servers. So click here and choose visibility, and from here you will see the show content experience, and you need to make sure that you choose it to no one, and this will disable your join, as it says who can see your current experience and join you. Now since you have selected it to no one, so no one be able to join you in your experience. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.